In the fall, they are large and ripe. They are ready to eat. We can see the apples and the leaves on the branches. We can see the branches growing out of the trunk. We can see the trunk growing out of the ground. We can see the bark of the tree. The bark covers the branches and the trunk like a coat. But there is a part of the tree that we cannot see. We cannot see the roots. They are under the ground. Some of the roots are large. Some of them are as small as hairs. The roots grow like branches under the ground. A tree could not live without roots. Roots hold the trunk in the ground. Roots keep the tree from falling when the wind blows. Roots keep the rain from washing the tree out of the ground. Roots do something more. They take water from the ground. They carry the water into the trunk of the tree. The trunk carries the water to the branches. The branches carry the water to the leaves. Hundreds and hundreds of leaves grow on the branches. The leaves make food from water and air. They make food when the sun shines. The food goes into the branches. It goes into the trunk and roots. It goes to every part of the tree. Fall comes and winter is near. The work of the leaves is over. The leaves turn yellow and brown. The leaves die and fall to the ground. Now the tree is bare. All winter it looks dead, but the tree is not dead. Under its coat of bark, the tree is alive. Spring comes again. Rain falls. The sun warms the earth. The tree blossoms and new leaves grow. As long as it lives, the apple tree grows. As long as it lives, the apple tree blossoms in the spring, and apples grow on it. When do you like apple trees best? In spring when they are covered with blossoms? In summer when they are covered with leaves? In winter when they are bare? Or in fall when they are covered with apples? The end. Thanks for listening, and I hope you enjoyed learning all about the life cycle of a tree.
I hope you enjoyed the story as much as I did. Now let's get ready for our comprehension questions. Number 1. A tree is a blank. A tree is a blank. Think about what your answer is and write it down. Number 2. The biggest plant that grows is a blank. The biggest plant that grows is a blank. All right, think about your answer. Number 3. The most trees grow from blank. Most trees grow from blank. All right. Let's check your answers. Number 1. A tree is a plant. How many of you said plant? Very good, because we learned in the story that a tree is a plant. Let's go to number 2. The biggest plant that grows is a tree. All right, how many of you got that right? Very good. Number 3. Most trees grow from what? Seeds. Most trees grow from seeds. All right, very good. Check over your work. Now, boys and girls, you will need paper and pencils for the next activity. I will pause the video so that you can go and get your paper and pencils. Okay, boys and girls, let's get ready for our spelling. We will be talking about the spelling patterns O-O, O-U, E-W. Our spelling words will consist of these spelling patterns. First word, soon. Spell soon with me. S-O-O-N. Soon. New word, new. N-E-W. New. Next word, noon. Spell it. N-O-O-N. Noon. Next word, zoo. Z-O-O. Zoo. Next word, boot. B-O-O-T. Boot. Next word, two. T-O-O. Two. Next word, moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Blue. B-L-E-W. Blue. Soup. S-O-U-P. Soup. Last word, you. Y-O-U. Good, boys and girls. Very good. All right, boys and girls, let's get ready to write these words. Let's get ready. All right, now, as I call the words out, you're going to place your words either under the O-O, O-U, or E-W column. All right? First word, soon. Write soon where it should be. Should it go under the O-O, O-U, E-W column? Think about the word soon and write it where it should go. All right, next word, new. New. Write your word under the O-O, O-U, or the E-W column. New. Next word, noon. Noon. Figure out where noon should go. Noon. All right. Next word, zoo. Zoo. Write your words, boys and girls. Next word, boot. Boot. Place that word where it should go. Next word, two. Two. Write that word where it should go. right, next word. Moon. Moon. All right. Blue. Blue. Think about where blue. Think about those sounds. Ew. Blue. Think about where it should go. Next word. Soup. Soup. All right, write that word. The last word. You. You. Write your word. All right, now, boys and girls, let's check and see what you have. All right. Under the OO column, you should have written soon, S-O-O-N, noon, N-O-O-N, zoo, Z-O-O, boot, B-O-O-T, to, T-O-O, moon, M-O-O-N. Under the OU column, you should have written you, Y-O-U, soup, S-O-U-P. And those of you who remember, soup is one of my favorites. Ew, under the EW category or column, you should have written new, N-O-N-E-W, N-E-W, and blue, B-L-E-W. All right, check your words and see if you have what we have here. Now, boys and girls, this ends our reading lesson for today. Remember to go to my Facebook page or BTW website and look for my name and Remote Learning 2020 to access more resources. Don't forget to log on to I Read and I Ready. Amid the coronavirus pandemic, please stay safe and wash your hands. I love you. See you soon.